Welcome back. My name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you the award-winning manufactured homes that'll have you reaching for your pocketbook. Right now, there are companies taking manufactured home to another level, and I think it's only fair they get the attention they deserve. I get a lot of comments on my channel, people asking what's the best blank. Single wide, double wide, manufacturer, you name it. People ask it. Over the years, I've been in a lot of manufactured homes from a lot of different factories, but have I been in a home from every factory? Not yet, I haven't. Lucky for us, there are awards given out in a variety of categories voted on by members of the Manufactured Housing Institute. And I think showing off the winners could help potential buyers narrow down their search of what they want to buy and from who. At the very least, we get to see some eye candy. In an attempt to answer some of the most common questions I get asked, I'm going to tell you who won the best manufacturer and, more importantly, show you the top manufactured home designs. So let's do it. Manufacturer of the Year was broken down into two segments: 2 plants or less, or 3 plants or more. Is it just me, or is plant used in this way one of those words that the more you say it, the less natural it sounds? 2 plants or less. 3 plants or more. The winner of Manufacturer of the Year, 2 plants or less, at the latest round of awards was Adventure Homes. And fun fact, they have won the award every single year since 2016, when they started including the award for companies with less than 3 factories. In fact, some people have compared Adventure Homes to the Chicago Bulls in the 1990s. Stupid. Adventure Homes is located in Garrett, Indiana, and how they actually got into the business is one of the best underdog stories in the industry. On a Friday afternoon in August 2009, the factory, which at that time was owned and operated by a larger company, was shut down. The story goes that without hesitation, 3 guys purchased the facility, and on the very same Friday told everyone working there to be there Monday if they wanted to start working for Adventure Homes. Apparently, so many people showed up on Monday without any idea of what they would be paid or what benefits that they had, that they only missed about 20 minutes of production time. Crazy. Over 10 years later, they have 3 distinct series of manufactured and modular homes which have multiple floor plans and options to choose from. The winner of Manufacturer of the Year, 3 plants or more, was Clayton Building Group. Clayton Building Group started way back in 1956 when Jim Clayton sold his very first home, and has since grown into over 350 home centers. Clayton now builds and sells traditional site-built homes, manufactured homes, modular homes, cross-mod homes, designer cottages, and park models. It should be mentioned that there is a very real possibility that other manufacturers either forgot or didn't bother to submit their entry paperwork to be considered for these awards. If you look at the list of finalists in each category, the winning company is also the only finalist. So either it's a typo or they were the only names in the hat, which is kind of like being valedictorian of homeschool. Either way, 2 companies worth looking at if you're in the market to buy. Out of all the awards to win, more important than Plant of the Year, and probably the reason you clicked on this video, is Manufactured Home Design of the Year in single and multi-section. I'm going to start with single section Design of the Year, which is just a fancy word for single wide. Are we not using the word single wide anymore? Is that now an offensive term? The winner of Single Section Design of the Year was the Diamond D1662 by Skyline Champion. To be honest with you, I was a bit surprised to see the Design of the Year was a smaller home at 819 square feet, until, of course, I saw the pictures. The home is 15'2" by 54 feet with an 8-foot porch for a total length of 62 feet. It has a front living room full of windows, which I think appeals to most people, except the person who commented on another video that windows going to floor level in rural areas are an open invitation for passing bears to scope out dachshunds and toddlers. Just when I thought I'd heard it all. Valid point though. I'm guessing the award was based on the exact home in these pictures because Champion Skyline absolutely sent it to the moon with upgrades on this model, and it turned out amazing. The interesting thing about a home like this is they often come in at a similar or sometimes lower price point than a tiny home, but you end up with way more space. If given the choice between an 819 square foot manufactured home or a tiny home, to me, it's a no-brainer. I'm going with the manufactured home. But as they say, different strokes for different folks. In the back half of the home, you'll find bedroom 2, the bathroom, a workspace, the main bedroom, and it's very obvious someone put a lot of thought into this home. I'm not knocking it, but my only concern would be the fact that it has one bathroom. I ordered a home with one bathroom in 2011 and basically had to give it away. The person who bought it certainly wasn't complaining, but I swore I'd never do it again. However, the interior and layout of that home wasn't nearly as nice as the Diamond, so maybe that makes up for it. Let me know what you think. The exterior of the Diamond is sharp as well, painted white with blue trim and a metal roof. The whole thing kind of has a cottage feel to it, and who doesn't like a cottage feel? The Manufactured Home Multi-Section Design Award was given to the Odyssey, again by Champion Skyline. The Odyssey is 26'8" by 64 square feet for a total footprint of 1,707 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with an enormous walk-in closet and an open kitchen with a giant island. The living room has an entertainment center, the dining room has a fireplace, and I just hope whoever selected the colors for this entire home is proud of their work because it looks incredible. It's interesting to see carpet in the living room. Where I'm at, people have gotten away from carpet, but I personally like carpet, always have. Think about it, it's quiet, it's nice to walk on. I really hope it's coming back in style. I think some people underestimate how big a manufactured home this size actually feels when you're in it, so if you haven't been in one in the last, say, 10 years, I highly recommend you check one out. The Champion website shows 4 possible exterior options that include a single color with an extra window, a multicolor, and a multicolor with an extra window. If it was my home, I'd be going with the multicolor with the extra window. This really is a great layout, and it's easy to see why it was crowned Multi-Section Design of the Year. Both of the Design of the Year categories had multiple finalists, eliminating any possible concern that these were a gimme. If you're in the market for a new manufactured home, there are a lot of designs from a lot of different companies, so hopefully at the very least this video gives you a bit of direction in your new home search. If you don't agree with the award winners on this list, don't freak out. They pick new ones every year, but you will have to wait a little bit longer to see who's on top in 2022. They'll be announced at the annual Manufactured Home Institute Congress that's being held in Orlando in April. Shout out to mobilehomeliving.org for the video idea. If you haven't checked out the site before, it's definitely worth a visit. As soon as the winners are announced in April, I'll do an update video to see who walked away with the hardware this year, so definitely check back for that. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.